Hi everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Maritza and welcome to my video. I just got home from Puerto Rico, like I said in my last video, and since I received a couple of packages and my grandchildren are not here, I want to take advantage and open them, and I received my Allure box. This is the first Allure box I received. So I don't know what's inside. I just took off the plastic and I'm gonna open it, and when I open it, looks like this. Pretty picture. And then it looks like this. I might need my glasses, so let me just get them. And the first thing that I find in here is this, and it says Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing for all skin types. I really need a mask. I forgot to take any mask to Puerto Rico. I didn't take anything for my skin. I forgot to take wipes. I didn't take anything. So I was literally just washing my face with soap, and I don't like the way it feels. But I'll be doing all of that today. I'll be definitely exfoliating my face. And the next thing we got is from, I believe it says Cocoa Star, and it's a rose lip mask, and it looks like this. I received the lip mask in, I ordered a palette. I believe it was the XOXO palette, and it came with a lip mask, and I don't know where it is. I've been looking all over because I really wanted to use it, and I couldn't find it. So I'm happy I got this one, because now I can really try it. Next thing we got is from Pathology, and it's a Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. And these are some under eye gels. We received some of these also in our BoxyCharm. Next thing, we receive a $10 gift certificate from Anthropology. That's nice. Next thing, there's a lot of things in this box. Next thing I see in here is, this looks like another sheet mask. It's a pearl brightening mask, like this. Packaging is beautiful. I love this color. Now I definitely have stuff on my face. Next thing I receive is, this packaging is so shiny I can't even see it. And it's from Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. And I believe this is a mask also. Allure just knew I needed this. Next thing I received in my box is 3 traceless earrings. Oh, these are the Invisible. And the box is so cute. It looks like that. And these are for your hair. And they're like, let me see if I can open them. My granddaughter will love this. They're so cute. I can't put all of this hair into one of these tiny little, that's how small they are. I know they stretch, but I'd rather give these to my granddaughter. They look so cute on her. Next thing we receive is from, ooh, Versace. I received a perfume. A Versace perfume. And I definitely love, I have the Versace, the pink, and I have the yellow. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. That is so cute. Let's see how we open this. turning it, but it doesn't. Oh, okay. Oh, that smells good. Oh, yes. That smells very good. I just love this. It's adorable. Very nice. Thank you, Allure. I love that. And last but not least, oh, I really wanted this. I wanted to try this. It's by Starskin, and it's an exfoliating mask for your feet, and it looked like this. Guys, if anybody's tried this, please leave a comment and tell me what this is like. I would be scared to use this, but since I'm a diabetic, my feet do get very dry. So everything we receive from Allure, we have the foot mask, we have the pearl mask, we got the $10 gift card for Anthropology. We received the under eye gel mask. We received the lip mask. We received the watermelon mask. I love watermelon. It's one of my favorite fruits. We received the Versace perfume, the Invisible hair ties, which is 3 of them, and we got Glam Glow mud mask. And that was it for Lua. I love it. It's the first one I get. I'm hoping my December one gets here soon, because it should have been here already. They said I would receive both of them together. I don't know why I haven't received it. But so far, for my first box, I really love it. I'm so happy I signed up for Allure. And that was my Allure unboxing. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.